My name's Charley Chambers. I'm originally from Kettering in Northamptonshire, and I've been studying at Derby University for the last 5 years, where I've been doing a fashion studies course, BA Honours, and I'm hoping to graduate soon.
Charley, has your label got a name?
My label? I don't have a label as yet, so no.
Right. Okay. There's a lot of inspiration that has gone into what you're doing at the moment. Just give me a background on what you're doing and why in particular you're doing it.
For the second year of my degree, we had to do a placement module as part of the course, and for there I went to Alexander McQueen and extended that further by doing a further year in placement. So I did Alexander McQueen, John Lewis, and I've also worked at a bridal boutique as well for the last year. And from all of those different places, my inspiration has come to look at recycled fabric, because everywhere that I've worked has a bit of an issue with waste. And especially in the bridal industry, there's so many unsold dresses that can't necessarily be sent to be recycled or to be given to charity because there's too many of them. So unfortunately they get put in landfill or incinerated, and that's a problem that I wanted to combat by producing a design solution for a waste management issue.
Right, so how have you managed to solve this to your own mind?
I've been donated a lot of example wedding gowns from previous employment, and also I've worked in conjunction with the Pesticide Action Network where they've given me a bursary. So for the bursary I have to purchase organic or fair trade cotton or cotton mixed fabric, so hemp as well. So I've incorporated that alongside the recycled fabric into my collection that I've done for this year.
And how do you use that material, essentially speaking? What do you actually do with that material to create a collection?
Well, with the wedding dresses, I've deconstructed every single aspect of them, so taken every fastening, all of the beading, and just kept it all, because I'll use it for, if I've not used it for this collection, then I'll use it in future. And from deconstructing the wedding dresses, that's where I've taken my patterns from. I'll do a pattern for one of my outfits and then use the fabric to make the new outfit out of the recycled fabric.
Okay, I've told you about Fashion Capital, what we do. We take designers from graduate stages and we show them how they can turn their products into retail products. How do you see your work as college progressing? How do you see your inspiration and your work developing from this point onwards?
Well, my work from collection is something that I'm very passionate about, so I want to further that by eventually setting up my own company recycling fabric, not necessarily wedding dresses, but start with wedding dresses as that's my background. And so I'd like to set my own company and just basically make it more aware, make people more aware of our waste management problems that we have within the fashion and textile industry and the amount of waste that is generated and consequently goes to landfill.
There's a lot of passion. Isn't it? Okay, could you see your career changing direction? I mean, there are some really notable people that have made substantial companies out of issues that are sensitive to environmentalists, Anita Roddick not being the least of them. Do you find inspiration from people like that?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, obviously Anita, and then also Catherine Hamlet as well is one of my main influences. And the things that she does and the campaigns that she works for. Other organisations such as the EJF and the ETI as well. Obviously, working with them would be brilliant in future.
Right. And have you got a message? Because bear in mind this is going to go out to 6 million people this year. Have you got a message? A last final statement?
Just think about what it is you buy before you buy it and how long you're going to have it for. And make sure that your pieces are investment pieces, or you can do something with them afterwards, so you don't make so much waste. It's just one little aspect that you can change in your lifestyle to make a huge difference to the environment.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
much. Right.